UK mobile carrier Vodafone has announced that it is now taking pre-orders on the new Huawei P20 and P20 Pro. The two handsets are available on a range of different contracts with Vodafone, and you can see some of these offering below. Customers can pick up the Huawei P20 with 16GB of data for the price of 4GB on a Red Extra 16GB plan, which also includes unlimited texts and unlimited minutes for £35 per month, £9 upfront cost. Customers can pick up the Huawei P20 Pro on the same plan for £47 per month, £49 upfront cost. Alternatively, customers can opt for the Huawei P20 with 32GB of data for the price of 8GB on a Red Entertainment 32GB plan, which also includes unlimited texts, unlimited minutes, and a choice of Sky Sports Mobile TV, Spotify Premium or a Now TV Entertainment Pass for £41 per month, £9 upfront cost. Customers can also pick up for the Huawei P20 Pro on the same plan for £53 per month, £49 upfront cost. You can find out more details about the new Huawei P20 and P20 Pro over at Vodafone.